this time we want to discuss the use and effect of the TikTok application in building one's personal branding. But before that, let's introduce ourselves first.
My name is Fauzi Anas.
My name is Rifki.
My name is Iman Wisnu.
My name is Chandra.
My name is Rafi.
My name is Bilkisha.
My name is Siti Manawaro.
And stay for watching.
There is one quote that can motivate us today. Personal branding is not about being perfect. It is about being yourself and showcasing your unique talent and skill to the world. Christiana Latimer.
After hearing the quotes above, are you really enthusiastic about listening more deeply regarding the use and effect of the TikTok application in building one's personal branding?
Where currently personal branding is an important thing, where currently the TikTok platform also support user or anyone who wants to create personal branding through various kind of content.
So, the topics we will discuss is 1. TikTok platform and current TikTok user. 2. Get to know personal branding.
Number 3, personal branding is important, and then the TikTok platform as a medium for building personal branding, and the last, positive impact of using the TikTok platform to build personal branding.
6. Mistake that can damage personal branding on the TikTok platform. And then 7. How to build good personal branding on the TikTok platform.
TikTok is a social media platform for creating and sharing short videos. These videos can be of various kinds, ranging from music videos, comedy videos, tutorial videos, and so on. TikTok has a very good algorithm in displaying videos that match the interest of its user. This makes video TikTok one of the most popular social media platforms in the world. TikTok is a social network with fast growth in the post-pandemic era. As seen in the data, TikTok is the most popular application downloaded globally in 2020 and 2021, reaching 1,500,000 downloads on this year. Apart from that, there is also data from VR Social and Outside Repost release in January 2023. TikTok has more than 1 billion active users worldwide. This number increased by 12.6% compared to the previous year. Of this number, Indonesia is the country with the second largest number of TikTok users in the world, with a total of 113 million users. The first position is occupied by the United States with 170 million users.
Personal branding is a process of forming society or public perception of aspect of a person's position. This aspect include personality, abilities, value, and positive perception that arise or exist within the individual. The main dimension of personal branding consists of 3, namely 1. Competency. Competency is when we have been with other people. The way people think about someone is influenced by the branding that is formed. Aspect of a person's character, value, skill, and behavior will be representation. 2. Style. Style is how to relate to people. Style is something that is visible to the eye, such as a way of dressing that is characteristic and can also be a way of communicating. 3. Standards. Standards are how society has demand of other individuals. This individual can be considered to keep society demand are by combining these 3 elements, you can build and improve your reputation in your chosen field.
Why personal branding is important. In the today's digital era, more and more individuals have the same skill. Therefore, it is necessary to build personal branding to introduce one's skills so that they stand out more than other people's skill. In the end, the formation of personal branding can increase a personal selling value for their skill. This can happen because a person's self-standard are used as a reference in developing the self according to their potential. Not only that, personal branding is very important both career-wise and socially in order to foster a sense of self-confidence, confidence in interacting in the professional world can be built if we have a appropriate personal brand. Personal branding also plays a role in helping build extensive, continuous relationship. When we build personal branding, it will help us again exposure to become more widely known. In this way, connection increase and work runs smoother.
The presence of TikTok social media is also used to express itself by its user. TikTok social media is a social media that is currently trending compared to other social media that have been widely used by people. Many of content creators use TikTok social media as a tool to build self-branding, or better known as personal branding. In general, a content creator has a target audience or audience to achieve. Content creators simply try to create content or packets around information related to things that are mastered and liked. To reach more audience or target audience, most content creators today do not only create one media platform as a forum for publishing the information, but they use more than one social media platform. This is what makes a content creator need to have special skill by ensuring brand awareness of a product, such as collecting relevant ideas and that, as well as conducting research, building the consistency of a branding and realizing unique work and creating interest concept.
Using the TikTok platform can have a significant positive impact in building personal branding. Here are some examples. First, wide and fast reach. TikTok has a large global reach, allowing one to quickly build a large follower base. This can increase visibility and introduce personal branding to a wider audience. And second, creativity and innovation. TikTok promotes creativity and innovation in content. By using creative features like music, visual effects, and challenges, one can stand out with unique and interesting content. Number 3. High engagement. TikTok users are generally active and engaged in interaction with the content. This provides us opportunity to interact directly with followers, increase engagement, and build closer relationships. And number 4. Positive image. By providing content that is positive, entertaining, or provides added value, someone can build a positive image. This can help in gaining support and recognition from followers. And next, number 5, collaboration opportunities. TikTok allows collaboration with other users or brands. This collaboration can increase exposure and provides opportunities to build network with other parties. And next, number 6, this is monetization. For users who already have a large follower base, TikTok provides option for monetization through creator programs and income-enable features. Even though TikTok offers many benefits, if it is important to pay attention to the ethics of using it. Smart and responsible use is the key to maximizing the positive impact of this platform in building personal branding. Thank you.
As for errors that can damage personal branding on the TikTok platform, this data was taken from the youngandtop.com website. That one, oversharing. This can damage a reputation or even be dangerous because someone talks too much or tells excessive things about themselves or their personal life to other people. It's best to keep personal or private life matters to yourself. Everyone, don't overshare. 2. Lack of preparation. Building a personal brand is not an instant process but requires quite a long and time-consuming process. However, some people want to quickly build a personal brand and lack preparation and end up following very busy trends, which can affect the branding that has been built previously. Careful preparation and patience are very necessary. 3. Inconsistent. If in the first few days you are enthusiastic about posting content, one day there is 5 pieces of content, this can create spam for other people. Then a few days later, you didn't post anything. This is wrong. It's better to do it consistently, such as scheduling content posts. 4. Not buying yourself. In fact, the goal of personal branding is cover your shortcoming with your own strength, not to become someone else. So, it's better to stick to your own principle and be who you are. Don't have to pretend to be someone else. Other people may be an inspiration, but they don't have to be completely the same as other people. Create branding yourself.
As for how to build good personal branding on the TikTok platform, that number 1, determine the person you want to build. This method can be started by finding out what you like most or what you have been skilled at. Number 2, maintain consistency. Building personal branding to a tag team, it cannot be archived instantly. Therefore, it's also take persistence to carry out. As long as you believe in what you are good at, the content you create will definitely captivate your audience. Number 3, stay up to date. We as creators must continue to be up to date with all existing development. By knowing this, the content we create will not be left behind by existing conditions. However, we also need to remember that we don't have to follow all trends because not all of them are relevant to the content we create. And the last, will connection. By doing this, there will be a mutualistic symbiosis or benefit for both parties because it opens up opportunities to reach new audience from ad creator. You can invite content creator to collaborate in creating content or usually as creating a duet.
Okay everyone, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this video is useful for many people. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you again in Kung Swiss Production Program Content. Goodbye!